大きな爆発とともに機体全体が炎に覆われてそのまま滑走路を走っていく様子が伺えます。ご覧いただいているのは消火活動中に乗客とみられる人たちが
This is what it was like for those on board the Japan Airlines flight that caught fire at Tokyo Airport. Fortunately, all 379 passengers were evacuated from the plane. The plane caught fire after it reportedly collided with a Coast Guard aircraft.
All 379 passengers and crew on board this aircraft are out safely, is what we're being told. We are told that for whatever reason, this aircraft collided with a Japan Coast Guard aircraft on the runway. The Japan Coast Guard aircraft was a fixed-wing aircraft, suggesting potentially that would have been, I'm guessing, a smaller aircraft.